your tickets now for the North Coast's hottest dance workshop of the year. The second annual Humboldt Latin Dance Festival takes place at Redwood Rocks in Arcata on April 5th, 6th, and 7th. That's 2 nights of dance parties and 2 days of classes, with nationally acclaimed guest instructors teaching salsa on 1, Cuban dances, bachata, Brazilian zouk, and more. Explore popular dance forms, master new moves, improve your technique, and spend an entire weekend with people who share your passion for Latin dance right here in Humboldt County. And did we mention some incredible performances? Learn more online at HumboldtLatinDance.com, and we'll see you on the dance floor.